welcome back to my channel. Obviously, as you guys know, I have the biggest news in the world, and I have shifted. Okay, I moved, got my own place. Am I dreaming? Before we continue the whole tour, I am gonna prepare my house for Diwali. So let's thoroughly clean the house first before we do a whole tour. We're gonna go and pick up some parcels downstairs because I left to JB for 10 days and I have bajillion parcels downstairs. Some that I bought and some that I received in PR. So let's start cleaning. I hate adulting, but let's clean. We need this, we need this. So my mom introduced me to this cleaner. I got excited over a cleaner. Yes, obviously I'm adulting as much as you want. Pour some water. This is gonna take 100 years. All done, I'm just gonna add some hot water around and we are all done. I can't believe I'm doing this. I never do this when my mom is around. Amma, I'm a good girl at keeping the house clean. Let's start with the corridor. Now, the study room. Next is the kitchen. It's hall time. The worst part, my room. I am obsessed. The floor smells so much better now and it feels so much better. It's not sticky, it's not oily, it's just clean. Let's go pick up some PR packages from downstairs. Let's go. I'm gonna bring my phone and we're gonna bring this because we have too many parcels. So many packages. I'm gonna come back to you guys once I take everything because everything is everywhere. Like, yeah, literally so much. This is a 10 days worth of parcels and I'm grateful because half of it I actually did my own shopping, so makes sense. Your girl can't keep quiet, so half of it is shopping. Let's go upstairs and do some unboxing. I look like shit, but let's go up. I have so much to unbox, but let's do it on my couch. Let's start with Bath and Body Works. So cute! I actually needed a hand sanitizer. Thank you so much Bath and Body Works for their Global Hand Washing Day. Next up is Laneige. God, this would be so cute to bring for swimming pool or anything. Brand new bouncy firm lip treatment. The eye sleeping mask, the face mask. Thank you. It's so cute. Next up is Paula's Choice. Paula's Choice has the best skincare. I love their exfoliant. This is their retinol. Probably gonna read this more. It solves pigmentation. What I need. Thank you, Paula's Choice. Next up is Victoria's Secret. Perfume and hand lotion. I think so. Yes, the Victoria's Secret Bombshell lotion and a perfume. It's so pretty.
Bring back.
Bring back. Oh, it smells refreshing. Thank you, Victoria's Secret. Love you. Ah, my favorite brand. Okay, Anastasia Beverly Hills is my favorite eyebrow pencil. my favorite concealer. Their new palette, their Spice palette, and I feel like this is a suitable color for Diwali. Mummy would love this. Oh my god, Anastasia always comes up with a very unique combo. Love it. Yeah. I love. Girls can never have enough highlighter. They gave me 4 more shades of their lip velvet, and it's all in a very beautiful color. I love ABH Cosmetics. Please. Thank you. Next up is Face Theory. I am so happy that it is now available in Malaysia. Like, you guys can get this on Sephora. I got their Peptide Firming Night Cream. I've heard a lot about peptide. Niacinamide Refining Toner. I'm super excited to try this out because I really wanted this refining toner, but since I got the whole package, might as well try it. Thank you so much, Face Theory. Melixir is one of my favorite brands, and now they send me their green tea trio. This time they give me the Vegan Relief Facial Moisturizer, the Bamboo Hydration Serum, love bamboo. Coils product is also made out of bamboo, and also the Vegan Balancing Toner. And they gave me this toner pad, so all I have to do is take this toner and pour it in and apply on my face. Love. But thank you so much, Melixir. Okay, next up is, I think this is a product that I bought. Oh, I know. 4 house cushion and 2 car cushion. Shoes from them, which I'm super excited. A ballet, like a ballet sandal bag. Like the perfect maroon bag. Love it, love it. Thanks, Charles K. Okay guys, last but not least, don't mind this mirror. This mirror is also what I got. First up is, it's gonna fit me perfectly. Literally perfect. And this is the bag. Thank you so much, Pinko. Tested out the outfit, and I am gonna continue this tomorrow because I need to buy some hanging stuff to hang my Diwali decoration. That is something I'm gonna continue tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's the next day, and all you can see is table because I am just back from an event. I don't know why I pulled that, but look at this. I went to an event today, and I don't know what it's Saturi board. Yeah, I made mine. I forgot that I used chocolate, but love it. I'm just gonna put it in the plastic and place it over here. Let me show you guys the other stuff that I got. I also made this bag tags. Okay, been manifesting Wanderlust bow. I wanted to get myself one, but I went today and I might have got myself one. I love it. Okay, and I went to the Giorgio Armani's event, which I literally just posted about their perfume yesterday, and they invited me and I couldn't miss it. I went and they gave me another perfume. I love this one. This is their Edu Perfume Intense, giving me florally but at the same time musky, you know? Love it. And guess what I bought? Now let me quickly change and decorate this house too. Perfect. Now let's start decorating. Oh, I forgot that I bought these as well. Okay, I'm sorry for the bad lighting. It's because it's the night time. Anyway, anyhow, anywho, this is my decoration bag, if I can say it that way. I have Christmas decoration and Diwali decoration. And here's Diwali decoration. I even have this. Should I put this out? I think just for Diwali. And I even have this balcony. Cutesy, very cutesy. Start by fixing the Vanakam sign outside the house. This thing is reminding me of Diwali 2 years back. Or with tape. I think with tape. I need a freaking ladder in this house because I have like a bar chair. So it's gonna be just nice for me to go up there and fix it. Isn't that lovely? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I have problem because I have a lot of other flowers which I don't know where to put it, and I even don't know where to put this. Okay, I have a very cutesy mirror over here, like here, but I'm not sure how to decorate it. You get what I mean? Put it up here and let it. Yes. Not should I? It's a yes. It's a big yes. Connected this together. I'm just gonna place it up here. And you go here. And you go here. Ah! Is it balanced? No, it's not. Okay. It is now. I am so smart. What about the rest? Should I put it in this wall? Or should I hang it at the back of the curtains? Like I did in my previous house. I need to take a break and think about it. This corner has a stand over here, which I don't use at all. I'm gonna just get rid of this heart and put a traditional decor right on top of the pink. Still, I've decided Diwali is all about colors, and we are gonna make this boring grey wall colorful and beautiful. So I'm gonna just put 6 flowers garland here and come back to you guys. Isn't this perfect? Ah, I love it. 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 Some PR packages that I am gonna send, but for this, I'm just gonna place it here. Literally perfect. Okay guys, that is all for my Diwali decoration. I'm gonna show you guys the whole house tour tomorrow. Literally night, and the only time that I get to record and clean my house and do stuff for my house is at night. So you guys, the next day, this whole vlog takes 3 days. Jeez. Hey guys, so as promised, I'm gonna show you guys a full house tour, but since I don't have anyone helping me to record the video, I'm just gonna show you guys the house. All well decorated for Diwali. So you enter in the house. Ta-da! You enter. You get a shoe rack and more shoes, literally all the way up there, and each rack at least has 3 because your girl has too many shoes. But these are some of the shoes that doesn't fit in the shoe rack. Then you walk into the kitchen here, but before that, let's go here. This is my second bedroom. Don't mind the mess. It's all my clothes that hasn't had any hanger yet, so it's just a double bunk bed. It's like a normal study room. I'm gonna make this a little blur. Yes, okay. And my prayer place and PR packages, yep, and some of my coil stuff. Here I do make use of this wardrobe. This one is my coats. I literally have a long coat, don't know for what. Maybe manifesting for the holiday, and blazers and some cute mini coats. Love it. And this side is my traditional clothes. I need to bring more saris back home, but yeah, this is more saris. We walk out. This is the bathroom, but we'll enter through the other side. And welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing in my kitchen you'll notice is my fridge. I have a huge fridge, guys. For once, I'm not gonna show you guys much inside because I haven't done groceries in a while. This cute corner where I store my cute dishes and my golden spoons. Like, yeah, I'm still in the moving process, guys, so definitely I have stuff here and there. And my sink, love it. I still have some dishes to put away, seasoning place, and that vase is made by me. It's just a normal stove, and I love this island setup. Don't mind my food, that's my dinner for today. And some decor over there, decoration there, and the best part is this mirror right here. It's my OOTD mirror. So my living room, don't mind these two because this is all an unboxed PR packages. So far got this cushion from Shopee and it's such a soft thing. I still haven't had my carpet yet because I sent it for washing in JB and I haven't got it picked up yet. So that's for the next round. And this is my TV cabinet. Love it because the previous house that I was in didn't have a TV, but this, love. I am literally chilling and hanging out here more than my room now. My room! Obviously, there's a lot of teddy bears. Meet Moon, Kiara, Eber, and 2 new babies. And here is a full-length mirror and my dressing table. I obviously need a better mirror because the lighting here is not it, so I need to get a better mirror. Literally I have 2 mirrors. Up here is some decor and more storage, please. This is all some random stuff, honestly. And this is my everyday using bag, so I just store it here. Coil. And this is just a normal corner dresser drawer. The first drawer has skincare, everyday makeup, hair dryers. I need to try to arrange this better, but yeah, I was rushing today morning, so that is why it's kind of messy. Over here I have some towels, bed sheets, and so on, and my favorite house slippers. Cutie. And then my charging side, so you guys can tell that this side is my side. My dream has finally come true. I have a big and huge wardrobe now, where this is all of my tops, and this are my house clothes and more, like my bikinis and my swimsuits. I try to color coordinate it as best as possible. My housing clothes. Here is my sets. Don't get cheated, it's not this much, it's like all the way to the back, literally to the back. And that is all just my denims and my skirts, and also all the way to the back. I just wish you guys can see how back it goes. But yeah, that's that. And this is my favorite part, which is all of my long dresses. And the space in the hanger says a lot about how many clothes I have and how many clothes I need to. Yep, so it's okay. I'm gonna sell some of this one day when I have time. Next up is my toilet. So when you enter, there's a washing machine here. It comes with a dryer and nothing much in my toilet actually. Just a sink, my toiletries, a shower with all of my shower stuff, and toilet bowl. Cute toilet bowl. This, because every time I do my skincare at night, it's hella romantic. Trust me, it's super romantic. I always take my own sweet time, pamper myself, have a everything shower, and literally hate to beat, and I'll be like dead. But I really love this home because it really feels like home, you know? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my whole house tour. I will see you guys in my next video. I am gonna take a break and go and have my everything shower in my sweet little bathroom. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next video.